Installing the base. Recline angle and leveling. To adjust the recline angle of the base, hold in the button on the lever adjustment foot and move the foot up or down. The base is level when the green marker on each level indicator is visible between the two white lines. If there is a problem achieving the proper recline angle after following the previous steps, try another approved seating position in your vehicle, or lower the adjustment foot to the lowest position and place a rolled towel or pool noodle in the vehicle seat to level the base. Latch connectors. Push and hold the red latch connector release buttons while pulling outward to remove the latch connectors from the storage slots in the base. To store the latch connectors, push the latch connector into the storage slot in the base until they click into place. Latch connectors should always be stored in the base when not in use. Removing the car seat. Pull and hold the release lever on the back of the infant car seat. Lift the infant car seat up from the base. Uninstalling the base. Open the lock-off. Press the gray adjuster release button on the latch connector strap and loosen the strap. Press and hold each of the red latch connector release buttons on the latch connectors and pull them off of the vehicle anchors. Store the latch connectors in the storage slots in the base until reinstalling. Attaching the car seat. Ensure that the base is securely installed. Place the infant car seat into the base and press down until a click is heard. Pull up on the infant car seat to verify attachment. Ensure that the carry handle is in one of the 3 locked positions.